Hi, welcome back to Smart Techie Talks. In this tutorial, we are going to see how to freeze the top row in MS Excel and add filter to it. Let's get started. I hope you have watched my previous tutorials on MS Excel in my channel. If not, please go back to my channel, visit and subscribe if you like. So here I have opened my Excel workbook which contains some sales data. You could see the items and the representative who sold it and the order date, so on. The first row of my table is the header row which says what the column is. Like this is total and this is the item column and this is the rep, etc. Now I am just scrolling down and seeing the data down below. When I scroll down, you could see the first row is hiding and I couldn't see the header. In this case, what I have to do is, I want this row to be always visible even if I scroll down to the last data. So what we have to do is just select the row and go to the View tab. In the View tab, there will be an option called Freeze Spans. If you just click the drop down, you could see three options, which is Freeze Spans, Freeze Top Row, Freeze First Column. If you want to freeze the top row only, which you consider as the header, then you could choose this option, Freeze Top Row. When you click this option and if you scroll down, you could see that the header row is always visible even if you go to the last data. Now, let's say I want to freeze any row in the middle. Let's say I want to freeze until 11th row, and if I scroll down below the 11th row, I should see the first 11 rows in my data. For that, what I have to do is select the 12th row. Select the 12th row. If you want to freeze until 11th, go to the Freeze Spans and just select the first option, Freeze Spans. If you select this and if you try to scroll now down below, you could see the first 11 rows is freezed and the remaining data you can scroll and view. In this way, you could see and you could freeze any rows in the middle. Let's explore the other option in the Freeze Span, which is Freeze First Column. Now I have already selected the column A and row number 1, and I'm just going to click the Freeze First Column option under Freeze Spans. Let's see how it works. So when I do this, the first column of my table is freezed and the remaining column I would be able to scroll right and left. See, when I scroll this, the first column is always freezed and it is visible and the other columns are moving. Now my first row is already freezed. Let's see how to add filter option to this top row. Filter options enable you to visualize only the specific detail in a particular column. Let's say I want to see only the item pencil in my whole data and exclude the other things. Filter option is used. To enable the filter option, just choose the row, top row, and just go to the Data tab. In the Data tab, you could see an option called Filter. Just click the Filter option, and when you click it, there will be a drop down added to every cell in my top row. Let's see, I want to visualize only the East region sales detail. I'm just going to click the drop down, unselect all, select only East and click OK. So now you could see only the East region sales detail. Similar to that, you can change anything. I'm just going to undo the previous task by selecting all, click OK. Visualize only the pencil sales detail. Just going to select pencil, OK. So in this way, you could visualize any data you want using filter. In my next tutorial, I'll be covering about sorting in MS Excel. That is a bit wide topic compared to Freeze Spans and filter. So let me add that video in a separate tutorial. Thanks for your time in visiting my tutorial. If you have any questions, please post in the comment section. Do visit my website smarttechietalks.in. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye.